Good afternoon. Today we are going to demonstrate a typical thoracic vertebrae. So this is a typical thoracic vertebrae. This is the body, and this two is the this consists of the vertebral arc. These are the transverse process, and this is the spinous process. So let's start with the characteristic features. The characteristic feature is the articular facet on each side of presence of the articular facet on each side of the body. These two are the superior articular facet, and these two are the inferior articular facet. The body is heart shaped, as we can see is the vertebral foramen is nearly circular. Spinous process is long and slender. Transverse process is very prominent and bears an articulating facets for the corresponding ribs. Pedicles are attached to the upper part of the body, thus making inferior vertebral notch very deeper. The body is heart shaped. Its anterior, posterior, and transverse dimensions are almost equal. The superior facet is larger and situated near the upper border of the body, and the inferior facet is smaller and situated near the lower border in front of the inferior vertebral notch. The vertebral arch. It consists of the pedicles. These two are the pedicles, which are short, rounded, bony bars which project backward and laterally from the posterior aspect of the body. These two are the lamina, right and left lamina. Each pedicle continues to posterior medially as a vertebral plate of the bone. The spinous process arises in the mid where two lamina meets. The transverse process on the either side arises from the junction of the pedicle and lamina. So now let's see the features and attachments. The body. The upper larger costal surface articulates with the head of the numerically corresponding rib. The lower smaller costal facet articulates with the head of the next lower rib. Anterior surface and the posterior surface of the body. Anterior surface and the posterior surface of the body provide attachment to the anterior and posterior longitudinal ligaments respectively. Posterior surface of the body is marked by a vascular foramina for vasivertebral veins, which is covered by the posterior longitudinal ligament. Now we come to the pedicles. These two are the pedicles. They are attached near to the superior border of the body. As a result, superior vertebral notch is shallow and the inferior vertebral notch is deeper. The lamina are short and broad and thick, and they overlap each other as they overlap each other from downward. Their margins provide attachment to the ligamenta flava. Superior articular process. The articular facets on the superior articular facets directs backward and slightly laterally, while the inferior articular facet is flat and faces forward, little downward and medially. The facet on the transverse process on the anterior aspect of the tip articulates with the tubercle of the numerically corresponding rib. They provide attachments to the ligament